Beckett Gas is a manufacturer of gas burner components. We sell burners for furnaces, water heaters, fireplaces. We are fairly self-sufficient here. We have a number of certified users in the SolidWorks software. So we pretty much can take care of most of the problems. When we really need a Jedi Knight, that's when we reach out to 3D Vision. We've done a number of projects with 3D Vision technologies that we couldn't get to solution, on our own. They had the expertise, they have the hardware, the technology, the experience. We define the problem for them and they pick it up and take it to completion for us.
The biggest benefit of working with 3D Vision Technologies is just the people. I mean, they have an excellent staff. They are always there when we have a question, and hasn't been a problem they haven't been able to solve for us. If not by themselves, they tap their resources at SolidWorks and they always come back with an answer for us one way or another. We have a plethora of products that we have purchased from 3D Vision Technologies. I'd say the one that probably has been the most beneficial to us is SolidWorks Flow Simulation. We deal with products here where we have to push a fluid through some type of medium, and that fluid is going to be a gas. So we have to have some way of predicting how we have air and gas mixing. The flow simulation allows us to get better acclimated with what's going on inside the burner before we actually go and produce a piece.
We have DriveWorks at Beckett Gas that we get through 3D Vision Technologies. We've done simulation projects with them. Historically, something for a heat module would take typically 10 days from start to finish to complete the project. Not even implementing everything that DriveWorks could do for us, we cut that cycle down to a 1-day turnaround time, which I thought was phenomenal. About 4 years ago, we did a migration of our PDM Workgroup product to PDM Professional. And we used 3D Vision Technologies to help us through that migration process. We didn't have the right tools, we didn't have the right expertise, we didn't have the experience. 3D Vision Technologies, their people that they provided to work with us through this project made that migration very effortless. The result was awesome. Composer was the latest thing that we've purchased from them, and we went through training just a couple of weeks ago. The quality of the trainers, they're very knowledgeable. It's a very interactive training course, so you get to stop them, talk about questions that you may have, work out any of the problems that you're running into.
When I pick up the phone and call, they're always there and they're always very responsive.
The benefit that 3D Vision Technologies gives Beckett Gas is to have an extension of our own team. There's always somewhere that we can go to for that next level of expertise to help us through our issues. They're a conduit to a lot of other resources that we typically wouldn't have.